Hey, my friend, fellow trader, it's Will here over to FXAUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So today's video, my friend, end of another trading month, October 2019, and end of another trading week. So I'm not sure if you're watching this on my YouTube channel or via email or over at the website here, but on Monday or Sunday, I did give out a free signal. It was a sell trade on the CAD Japanese yen. And in this video, we're going to go over it. It actually activated for use this week. It was a really nice signal, and it's banked around 80 pips so far. Now, if you did take the signal, we have personally closed out on it. So we have. We're just taking our profits early this week. That's the end of a week. Nice week. Okay, so CADJPY, we sold at 83.4 up here. See, Monday morning, it got us into the trade more or less straight away. And it's been Monday kind of chopped away, but it's been dropping since. It's Thursday now, and yeah, pretty nice trade. This is Monday here, sorry. So if you took this trade, you can actually close it now. See the trade we took there. A couple of nice other trades this week on the USD Swiss franc and USD CAD. I will go over them in tomorrow's signal recap performance of the week. So we've had 5 activated trades this week. We've closed 3 in profit, and 2 of them are still open, and should be running nicely by the end of tomorrow. So another nice trading week. If you did take the signal, CAD yen, well done. Nice free 80 pips for you on your trading account. If you want to access the signal service, you can head over to the site by clicking the link below. Remember, we guarantee that you'll make 900 pips, consistently bank 900 pips or your money back. And no other signal provider will do that, basically because they probably blow up every couple of months. Okay, start up as a different name. Okay, you can actually track our live trading account by clicking the link below, and you can see some of the results our clients are getting. I will be posting more testimonial videos. Some of my clients that have been in the service since it began are up 40, 50, 60% on their own trading accounts. These will be in separate videos and emails, so make sure you pay attention to the channel and my emails. You can join the email list below. So any questions regarding the signal service, just simply let me know at will@fxace.com. So click the link below, get involved, and let us bank you some pips. Okay, so thanks for watching and happy trading.